My APK is a versatile Android application designed to help users manage and explore the APK files on their devices. It provides a user-friendly interface for viewing installed applications, allowing users to easily access detailed information about each app, such as version numbers, package names, and installation dates. One of the key features of My APK is its ability to facilitate the backup and sharing of APK files. Users can easily extract APKs of their installed apps, which can then be shared with others or stored for future use. This functionality is particularly beneficial for users who want to preserve app versions or share applications without relying on app stores. Additionally, My APK often includes a search function, making it convenient to locate specific apps and manage them effectively. Overall, My APK serves as an essential tool for Android users looking to gain greater control over their applications, making it easier to organize, backup, and share APK files.